little friends, it's Abby. Today we will color Jellyfish. Let's start coloring. I color her eyes green. Then I use pink and blue. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. And I use sky blue. Jellyfish don't have a brain, heart, or bones. Jellyfish are about 95% water. That's why they look so see-through and can easily float in the ocean. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark. Great job! Our jellyfish looks amazing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!